Hi everyone. Access denied, stuck screen, or Google Flow just not letting you in. That's the common block, but it's flexible. Welcome to SaaSpace Pro. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to unlock access and get everything working smoothly again. Let's move on to the method 1. Open your browser and head over to the Google Flow where you are using your Google Flow in. I'm using in Google Chrome, so I have opened it in my browser. So for the first step, the thing you have to do is to log out with your account. This is the mail account I was logged in, so I'll just sign out for now, and again I'll sign in after refreshing the page. Okay, let's refresh the page once. Then click on try it now. Create with Google Flow. Yeah, I automatically signed back in as I'm signed in my Google account in my browser. So I have automatically signed in with my previous account. For the method 2, if any kind of permission appears in your screen after sign in or logging in, you have to give the permission for using this Google Flow. Because without giving the permission, you won't be able to use it properly like the way it needs to be. Okay, now let's move on to the third method. For the third method, we need to check that if our Chrome is up to date or not. So click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. From there, click on settings. Then from the left sidebar, click on about Chrome. And here you will see if your Chrome is up to date or not. As you can see, my Chrome is updating. So let's wait while it's update, and it's working really fast. You don't have to wait for too long. After the update has completed, you can see it's asking for a relaunch. So you have to click on the relaunch so it can give all the updates shape and makes a new Google Chrome for you. Not a new updated Google Chrome for you. Okay, now let's move on to the next method. For this method, go back to your Google Flows dashboard and delete the unused flow files that you don't need anymore, so it will free up the spaces. So I chose this one and click on delete project, and again I want to delete the blank ones, so I'm deleting and free upping my spaces so that I can work fluently. Okay, yeah, I have just deleted all the projects that I don't need anymore. Again, click on the refresh so it can give a fresh start. Okay, now let's see the next method, what it's saying. For the next step, we will clear all the cache files. So click on the settings icon at the very top, and where the browser link is at the top. From here, beside you will see a button. That's the setting button. Click on it, and from here, click on cookies and site data. Then click on manage on device site data. Then delete the cache files that usually causes problem if there is any. So then after deleting this, click on done. After clearing the cache file, it will ask to reload the whole page. So click on reload and it will open in a new phase, and yeah, it's working pretty smooth. But there is another method you can also try. Click on the three dot icon and select new incognito window, and let's try if we can use Google Flow here if your default browser is creating a trouble. Okay, let's try to use it here and it will be helpful for you. But if these steps are not solving your problem, the problem might be your prompts or your unclear instructions. So get the most output from it, you have to give a precise prompt where there will be everything described in details, not in full details, but in a precisely detail. And the prompt is not too long, because too long prompt always makes the AI confuse what you really want. So try to always give a precise prompt, and it will give an exact answer or the exact thing that you need. Okay, let's move on to the next method. You have to check that if your VPN is on or not, as my VPNs are off right now. Okay, let's check if my device's VPN is on or not. I was checking on the browser one, but the device one might make a problem too. Click on settings, open, then from the left side panel, click on network and internet. Then you will see the VPN section at the very third number. Click on it. Yes, my VPNs are not connected. As you can see, they're asking for me to connect. That means it wasn't connected. So yeah, I'm good to go. Okay guys, and after doing all the things to ensure your Google Flow is working smoothly, the last thing you have to do is restart your whole computer and restart the Google Chrome itself from the task manager. And I hope this will be helpful for you and your problem will be solved. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to SaaS Peace Pro and make sure to hit the like button. And yeah, see you in another video. Bye.